Now we try to laminate smartphone LCD. No need to screw out. Now we successful take from the body. Yes. Now I cut the glue for the wire running very well. No cut the film. I make the way for the separate wire. Yes, for both sides, left and right, we cut all. Remove the old glue that stick on. You now ready, and then we prepare go to the laminate desk. Yeah, this is my desk for laminate the broken front glass LCD. I always use upper because I never screw out the phone, so that I flow the hot air, and then I try to separate. Yeah, we need to separate one side by one side. We go until the front camera, yes, and then we go to other side. After that we will cut together. I try to cut it by this very small wire. Yeah, make like that. No need to turn off. After that we will clean the glue. We can call it OCA, and then we relaminate the new front glass with our YMC machine. Thank you.